Hello, I'm in a 2008 Nissan Xterra, and today I'm going to show you how to fold your seats. So for these rear seats, you're going to look for this little thing here that will pull, and that should release the lock that holds them in place, so then we can pull it forward. And you can see here, this is where it was hooked onto here. And this works the same for the passenger side as well. And this will fold down as far as you need. When you're finished, first I'd make sure the seatbelt isn't caught. So you just pull this back over, and then you can push back to lock it back in place. So now it's locked in place again, so you'd have to pull this again to release the lock to lower it forward again. And then these front seats, you'll see that by pulling this will let this fold forward. So it's forward, and then to push it back, we'll lift this again, and then with your other hand, just push the seat back. And when you release this lever and it goes down, that locks it back in place. And to slide this sole seat forward and back, you'll lift this up, and then you can slide the seat forward or back. And then when this is down again, it locks it in place. And then these controls just change kind of like, just like your cushioning support, lumbar support type things. And the passenger side, I'll show you that as well. But it's just the same as the driver's side. So the same lever controls this, and then it's got this same release to slide the seat forward and back. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.